Hi, Jonathan York from Investment Research, looking at the investment markets this week. Greece appears to have stepped back from the abyss with the pro-European, pro-Euro, pro-austerity parties appearing to get a majority in the latest round of elections. They're now rushing through a coalition government that will be put in place, and hopefully that should see a little bit of easing of some of the tensions out there in the Eurozone. So equity markets are expected to open up the week a little bit higher. That comes on the back of a pretty good rally on the Saturday New Zealand time from the US market, and that is expected now to continue with this sort of positive news coming out of Europe. It'll be interesting to see how the US market trades as we start to head in towards the next round of earnings. Certainly at the moment, some of the valuations don't seem to stack up. Stock valuations do look a little bit cheap compared with the earnings reports, and it'll just be interesting to see how these earnings actually come through in the next sort of 2 to 3 weeks. Domestically, obviously there's been quite a bit of talk in the press about state asset sales. They appear to be getting a little step closer now, and if you are interested in hearing about those, call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz. Interesting for this week, you've got GDP coming out. That's expected to be around sort of 2%. Put that in perspective, Aussie GDP last reading was around 4.3. In China, everyone's concerned because it's slowing down to around 8%. So you know, New Zealand is not sort of pushing on too strongly, but there is a little bit of positive growth out there. And also just announced Jonathan Ling is standing down from CEO of Fletcher's. That'll be in October. So far market reaction appears to be pretty muted as the shares seem to be trading up a little bit. You know, Fletcher's have been a reasonable dividend share, and people certainly quite a bit of interest out there when they approach sort of $6. So if you are looking for income, say these high dividend shares do have quite a bit of interest. You can call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. We look forward to speaking to you soon.